Hello everyone. I was thinking where I should put the stickers from my Instagram friends. So I decided to put the stickers around here using this 2x4 and using this one. And also this MDF. So I will let you see. These painted are my daughters, so I'm going to put these paint over there. Please watch it. This is my stickers. Joe, thank you for giving me your stickers. And also Tim, thank you for giving me these stickers. I'm going to put these stickers on here. Anyway, thank you for giving us stickers. If you want to have some stickers from me, please exchange stickers. Thank you for watching.